Maldives government has suspended 3 ministers over derogatory remarks against Prime Minister Modi. After Maldives High Commissioner was summoned by Indian Foreign Ministry today, in a swift tit-for-tat response, the Maldivian government has hit back by summoning the Indian High Commissioner. Maldives president has arrived in China, and he is set to sign several agreements to bolster bilateral ties. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has secured a record 4th straight term, and she has said that Bangladesh is lucky to have a trusted friend like India. The DRDO is all set to start development and manufacturing of advanced turbo gas generator engine for anti-ship cruise missile that will be completed in 3 years. Media reports indicate that the US aims to conclude the F-414 engine deal with India soon, that will equip indigenous fighter jets like Tejas Mark II TED-BF and AMCA. Newspace Research and Technologies has demonstrated its combat cloud platform, designed for data fusion and distribution within drone swarms. A swarm of UAVs took off, executed complex tasks using collaborative autonomy and artificial intelligence, and safely returned to base, and all under remote command through combat cloud. Each drone acted as a sensor and processor, contributing to a shared intelligence picture that empowers faster command and control, and intelligent decision-making at the edge of the battlefield. The combat cloud platform will also foster collaboration between drones and manned platforms, enabling manned-unmanned teaming. After completing its first flight in August 2023, the latest naval Tejas prototype NP5 has successfully completed a series of landings and takeoffs from India's indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. The data collected from NP5 carrier operations will significantly expedite the design and development of the TED-BF, and it can also serve as an effective training platform for Indian Navy pilots, familiarizing them with carrier operations and honing their skills for future TED-BF deployment. The DRDO has successfully completed the field evaluation trials of the Dharashakti electronic warfare system, that signifies a major step forward in India's quest for robust electronic warfare capabilities. The state-of-the-art system encompasses a comprehensive array of entities to address control, countermeasures, jamming, disrupt enemy communications, reconnaissance and direction finding in diverse terrains such as deserts and plains, that will allow Indian forces to pinpoint enemy positions and gain valuable tactical advantage. During the recent visit of Indian Foreign Minister to Moscow, Russian officials had once again reiterated the offer to supply the AL-41F-1S engine for India's Super Sukhoi upgrade, that boasts a thrust of 142.2 kN, a notable improvement compared to the current 122.6 kN AL-31FP engines. Russia has asserted that the AL-41F-1S engine is compatible with its predecessors, and it requires only minor modifications to the engine nacelle and equipment for equipping on the Su-30. Today's top 3 comments.